Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to record a reel on Instagram. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the entire process to help you create captivating and professional-looking reels for your Instagram feed. Follow these simple steps to start creating engaging content today. 1. Open Instagram app on your Android device. 2. Tap the plus icon at the bottom or swipe right anywhere in feed. 3. Scroll to Reels at the bottom. 4. Tap and hold to record a clip or tap it to start recording and tap it again to end the clip. You can also tap your camera roll in the bottom left to add a video from your camera roll. 5. Use the Reels tool menu on the left to add audio, effects, and layouts to your reel or change how you record your reel. 6. Tap Next in the bottom right. At the top, you can tap the tone icon to add audio, the word icon to add text, the sticker icon to add stickers, the stars icon to add an effect, or the eins icon to download your reel to your device. 7. Tap Edit in the bottom left. You can edit your reel on a timeline that shows when things appear in your reel. You can edit text, stickers, music, rearrange clips, and change their length. 8. Tap Done when you're finished editing. 9. Tap in the bottom right. You can edit the cover photo, write a caption, add a location or fundraiser, or share your reel to Facebook. For more options, tap Advanced Options. 10. Tap Next in the bottom right. 11. Tap Share. Whether you're an aspiring content creator or a social media enthusiast, this full guide to recording Instagram Reels is your ticket to standing out in the vast world of social media. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell to never miss an episode, as we have more exciting tutorials and insights coming your way. Get ready to unleash your creativity and watch your Instagram Reels gain traction like never before.